interest rates by as much as 60%. You'll save thousands and become debt-free for keeps. It's not a loan. It's a smart way to relieve your stress, meet your obligations, and preserve your self-respect. If your debt has you down, we should talk. Gather up your bills and call this toll-free number for a free, no-obligation debt analysis. 1-800-990-6976. That's 1-800-990-6976. If you're in debt and you need help, call Trinity at 1-800-990-6976.
It was a prime holiday season for Amazon.
The online retailer's quarterly profit soared past $1 billion for the first time in its more than 20-year history as it sold more voice-activated gadgets, enlisted new Prime members, and benefited from its recent purchase of Whole Foods. The Seattle-based company's profit was also helped by recent changes to the tax law, giving it a $789 million tax benefit during the fourth quarter. Amazon, which got its start as an online bookstore in 1995, has ambitions that go far beyond online retailing. This week, for example, it announced plans to create a new healthcare company with J.P. Morgan Chase and Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway to find a lower-cost solution for the three companies' employees. Keith Peters reporting.
About 90 people appeared drowned after a smuggler's boat carrying mostly Pakistani migrants capsized off of Libya's coast early today. That's according to the United Nations Migration Agency. 10 bodies have already washed ashore. Breaking news and analysis at townhall.com.
From the KSCB Weather Center, it will be breezy and much cooler today. We'll have a mostly cloudy